Good morning, my dear students. Students, in our last class, we are discussing our unit decimal form. In this new class, we are representing how to find larger one and smaller one among a decimal numbers and how to add and subtract a decimal number. Let's look how can we solve these problems. First section we are discussing is more and less. Sneha's height is 1.36 meters and Meena's height is 1.42 meter. Who is taller? Here 1.42 is larger value. So Meena is taller than Sneha. In the sports meet, Vinu jumped 3.05 meter and Anu 3.5 meter. Who won? In this particular situation, the two values are same, 3.05 and 3.5. It resembles, but the values are not same here. If there is a two-digit decimal form, first we need to check the first digit after decimal, that is 0 here. Which is greater, 0 or 5? Yes, it's 5. So 3.5 meters is larger one. That is Anu won in the sports meet. And next one, Vinu jumped 3 meters. 5 centimeters and Anu jumped 3 meters 50 centimeters, right? So who won? Here 3 meter 5, that is 3.5 and 3.50, which is larger one? Here 3.50 is the larger one, that is 50 centimeter and 5 centimeter. 50 is larger one. So 3.50 meter is the largest value. And we can also look at like this. Both numbers have 3 in one's place. The number 3.05 has 0 in the tens place, while 3.50 has 5 in the tens place. So 3.50 is the larger one. Okay. Similarly, which is the largest among 2.400 kilogram and 2.040 kilogram, 2.004 kilogram? Here, first we want to check in 10th place. That is 1 by 10th place. Which is larger, 4, 0 or 0? Definitely we can say it's 4. 4 is the larger one. So 2.400 kilogram is larger one. If the 10th place is same in any other places, we want to check the next place, that is 1 by 100th place. Then we can definitely say which is larger one and which is smaller one. What about the next one? 0.750 liters and 0.075 liters. Here also, first the 1 by 10th place is 7 and 0. So we can definitely say it's 0.750 without any hesitation. Okay, based on this, I will provide you some work at the end of this video. Next, we are moving to our next section, how to add and subtract a decimal number. A 4.3 centimeter long line is drawn here and then extended by 2.5 centimeters. You can see the figure there. What is the length of the line now? Here we need to find out what is the total length. We can put the length in millimeters, then add. First, we are changing them to millimeter. 4.3 centimeter means 43 millimeter. We know that 10 millimeter is equal to 1 centimeter. Same as 2.5 centimeter is equal to 25 millimeter. Then the total length should be 43 plus 25, which is equal to 68 millimeters. Turning this back into centimeter, 68 millimeter is 6.8 centimeters. Or we can directly add these two numbers without changing them into millimeter part. That is 4.3 plus 2.5. First we add the decimal point. 5 plus 3 it's 8. Then provide a point there. Then 4 plus 2 6. Okay, then what we if we want to add 4.3 centimeters and 2.8 centimeters without making them to millimeter part, we can add 4.3 plus 2.8 and we can obtain the result as 7.1 centimeters. In millimeter, we can say it is 71 millimeter. Let's look how we add without converting this into millimeter, and let's add them into the place value first. 1 by after the decimal point, it is in 1 by 10th position first. That is 4.3, 2.8. This is given that 1 and 1 by 10th means it is the place value. When we add 3 plus 8, we get the result 11. 1, put the 1 there with 1 carry. Okay, 4 plus 2, 6. 6 plus 1, it's 7 there. Then the overall result that we obtained is 7.1 centimeters. Then how can we add 4.3 meters and 2.56 meters? Just imagine there is no decimal point. It's 4, 43 and 256. If we provide 1 0 to the left of 3, it is 430. Just add them. Then we get the result 686 there. Then we want to put the decimal point there. That is 6.86 centimeters. If we convert them into meter, it is 6.86 meters. Okay, that is we can directly add two numbers without changing their decimal form into meter or centimeter or in millimeter part. Then there are some few examples are given there. Generally, to add measurements given in decimal form, it is better to make the number of digit in the decimal part same. For this, we need only add as many zeros as we needed. Because there is an example given there. Adding of 4.3 meters and 2.564 meters. Just provide number of zeros after the decimal there, whatever we needed. Then add these two numbers. It's enough there. If a 12.4 centimeter long stick, a 3.2 centimeter piece is cut off, what is the length of the remaining part? This is in the subtraction form. The total length of the stick is given there, it's 12.4, and the length of the piece also provided there. If we subtract 3 centimeters subtracted from 12, we know that it's 9 centimeter. Then 2 millimeters subtracted from 4 millimeter, it is 2 millimeter itself. Then we can write them as 12.4 minus 3.2, which is equal to 9.2. 4 minus 2, it's 2. 12 minus 3, it's 9. Just put the decimal place same as in our question. Then how do we subtract 3.9 centimeter from 15.6 centimeters? It is described there. We cannot subtract 6 by 9. So we borrow 1 from the 5 after the decimal point and it became 16. 16 minus 9 is 7. Then after the decimal there is 14. 14 minus 3 it's 11. That is 11.7 is the answer for this question. Okay, based on our first problem, that is how to find larger one and smaller one. This is your homework. Find the larger in each of the pairs given below. And the second one, arrange each set of numbers from smallest to the largest one. Okay, this is your homework. You can do your work in your notebook and share with me personally. Let's see in our interaction session.